Hi, I'm Dave Blake from EGD. In this video, we'll be talking about how to register and program your remote controls. Okay, so now we've got the positions learned, we've got the connected devices learned. The next thing we might want to learn in will be your remote controls. Now you'll have two of these in the kit as standard, and you'll need to learn this or register the remote control with the Oxy BD receiver that's in the kit. Make sure you insert this first, and the LEDs will light up on the top there. That's kind of when you can tell when this is in a learn mode by the LED at the top, and it will be blinking to tell you it's in that learn mode, or it'll be on solid to tell you it's in that learn mode. Now there's two ways we can do this. You can, if you've got multiple sets of gates, there's two modes to register this with. First mode is by pressing and holding the learn button down and keeping it held down until that green LED goes solid, and let go. If I was to register this remote control to the receiver now, it will automatically register both channel 1 and channel 2 on the remote control. Channel 1 will operate in step by step, and channel 2 will operate the pedestrian mode or pedestrian function of this gate. So it will open one of the gates partially. If you used to have multiple sets of gates and you wanted, say if you had a horseshoe driveway and you wanted to register channel 1 to one set and channel 2 to the other set, then we're going to need to register them individually. So to do that, simply just press the learn button on the front of the receiver, on the top of the receiver, just once and release this time, and you'll see the LED will start flashing once every second or so. Whilst that LED is flashing, you press and hold the channel you want to learn in on the remote control down, and keep it held down until you get those 3 longer flashes, as shown here. Once you've had those 3 long flashes, it will continue to flash just once a second until it times out. Now when that LED goes off, the remote is registered and you can now operate the gates with the remote control. Just wait for that to time out and send it in operation. Now you'll notice I pressed it just once and release. Well, that will register this remote with step by step. So the first trigger will open it, the second trigger will stop it, and the third trigger will close it. If I wanted to register a second channel on this with pedestrian, then you can press this button on the front twice, and it will register the remote control with a different behaviour this time. But notice that you've got 2 flashes on the LED rather than 1 flash. That's signifying that that input now will register remote control with as a pedestrian mode. But I'm not going to learn that in because I've just got the one small gate on here. Now if you were to make a mistake and you needed to re-register the remote controls, there's a simple way to do that is by pressing and holding down the learn button on the receiver. Wait for it to go solid. It will then go off, and then it will start slowly flashing. As it lights up on the 5th flash, you need to let go. 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll get a rapid flash to signify it's successfully cleared the memory, and it will go back to its original learn mode, and that will have erased the memory on the receiver. So like I say, if you'd have inadvertently registered it in the incorrect method or incorrect kind of type, whether you wanted to do step by step and instead you've programmed it to be pedestrian, then you can clear the memory on the receiver and start again. So again, I'm just going to quickly show you how to register that remote control. One button press, LED flashes once a second, press and hold it down until you get 3 long flashes. And that's it. If you want to get in touch with us with any specific requests or technical requests, please contact us on the details below. Don't forget to follow us on our social media as well for the latest in industry news and latest offers.